So I want to show you a little trick I do whenever I got an ornery oil filter and the oil filter wrench or the band wrench or any of those tools don't work. What I typically do, because I don't care about the old filter, I just want to get it off of there, I'll come in here with a, if you can see this angle, with a huge channel lock plier. And I'll open this and try to do this with one hand. Already preset the grip, right? I'll squeeze it, and like I said, I don't care if it damages the filter because the filter is going to get replaced anyway. And then I use this to take it out. Obviously, you don't want to use this method when you're putting it back on, the new filter on, because what would end up happening is you could damage the new filter. So for that, I would just, you know, rubber glove hand tied it on. Or you can use an oil filter wrench of that specific size. In this case, this oil filter wrench doesn't even fit on this oil filter. It's probably a different number of flutes or some other reason. So I hope this helps you next time you're trying to get rid of an ornery oil filter.